Hey, what is up, everybody? Rick here with a very exciting video for me. Maybe exciting for you. Who knows? We'll see. I just spent 4 hours in the car and then trying to get home because I knew this was here waiting for me, and I couldn't wait to get back and do this video because I want to see this thing. This is a knife that I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get. Every time they're in stock, they're gone in a blink of an eye, and I happened to get lucky and pick one up, and it came in today. So here we are. What do we got here? Kizer box. What is this underneath? This is a beat off whole box too. Dang, this thing has seen some things. So what we got? Kizer Milita. S45 yen steel, titanium handle, made in China. Well, which one do we got here, huh? Which one? It's the one I wanted. What do we got here? All right, fancy. Get rid of that thing. Keep on going in. What's this? What's in here? All right. Of course we got, okay. That stuff. Action for exploration. All right. Got a little sticker. Some extra hardware. Here we go. This is what we want. That's what we want. Here's a pouch. Here it is. Damn tape. Oof. So there it is. The purple carbon fiber, fat carbon, Milita. It's lighter. Let's see here. God, that looks nice. Pocket clip. All right, let's see where we're at here. Get this out of the way. We don't want to see that. Ooh. The DLC S45. Oof. Okay. I get what the hubbub's about. I get it now. That is okay, let me try that one again. Front flipper. It's a big knife. Oof. Okay, now I'm embarrassing myself. Here we go. Yeah, you know, that's not the way I'll be using it anyway. Front flipper. For me, for my hand, I mean, I have a large size glove hand, so it's regular. My flipper's high. Flipper's up there. There we go. But I don't do too much flipping. Oh, that action. So, like, two things I noticed right away is one, the thing's so light, it just, like, takes nothing to pop that thing out there. And then the lock, great access to the lock. The lock is very easy. I forget what it is run on. Can't see. I don't have my light, do I? Oh, I forget. I'm guessing that's bearings. So yeah, so it's this guy, you got the thumb roll it out. You can first flick it. You can flip it. Let's try this again. I got it this time. I got it. Don't act like, don't make me look foolish. Oh, barely. I got it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now my hands are getting all sweaty up here. All right. Great. What's that hardware? It's gotta be T8s. Let's see here. T8. T8. All T8. I think it'd be two. Yes, T8. Okay. Let's do some size comparisons. What we got here? All right. Spyderco Para 3. Spyderco PM2. Very close to PM2 size. If PM2 is just slightly longer in the handle. Let's go Benchmade bug out. Benchmade Griptilian. Again, much closer to Griptilian length. Let's throw it up a couple of Kizers here. Kizer Drop Bear. And Kizer Sheepdog, both in the clutch lock. And those two, these are basically the same size, but the other Milita is larger. Super excited about this one. The camera, I don't think it even does coloration justice. Just falls shut. something to cut. Oh yeah. Ooh, oops. Yep, she'll cut. Well, that's the it's just a quick video of the opening. First impressions. First impressions is, damn, it's a good knife. There'll be a more full review down the road once I have some time to carry it. Oh, I'm looking forward to carrying this one. Styles design. But yeah, that's it. Please, if you like this content, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or experiences with the Milita, please leave them. Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, yeah, follow me on Instagram, Rick's Knives on Instagram. No space anymore. Man, oh, it's good. That's the video. Thank you for watching.